Have you ever wondered how to read a map correctly? Maps, they're more than just a collection of lines, colors, and symbols. They're a graphical representation of our world, a tool that helps us to understand and navigate our surroundings. They condense complex geographical realities into digestible visual information. There are many types of maps, each with their unique purpose. You've got physical maps that show the natural landscape, political maps that illustrate boundaries and territories, topographic maps that depict elevations, and thematic maps that focus on specific topics. Whether you're planning a hike through the wilderness, studying the shifting boundaries of nations, or analyzing the population density of a city, there's a map for that. Maps are like a language. They communicate using symbols and conventions that may seem foreign at first, but fear not. Understanding a map can be simple once you know what each element represents, so let's dive into it. Map symbols are the key to unlocking the information on a map. In the same way that words form the basis of a sentence, map symbols are the building blocks of a map. They are the visual language that allow us to interpret and understand the rich information maps provide. Map symbols are incredibly important as they represent physical objects or features. Imagine trying to depict a bustling city or a dense forest on a flat piece of paper. It would be a daunting task without the help of these little symbols. They offer a simplified depiction of the world, allowing us to translate complex landscapes into easily understandable visuals. Let's delve a bit deeper into the world of these symbols. Picture a blue line winding its way across a map. That's not just a random doodle, it's a river. Or perhaps you've noticed small black rectangles arranged in a grid-like pattern. Those are buildings in a city or town. And those green areas, they represent parks or forests. Each symbol has a purpose and a meaning. These symbols are not just random drawings. They adhere to a standard set of conventions that are used globally. This means that a map symbol you'd see on a map of London, for instance, would carry the same meaning on a map of New York or Tokyo. This universal language of maps allows anyone, anywhere, to interpret a map accurately. In addition to the common map symbols representing physical features, there are also symbols that depict human-made features. For example, a simple circle might represent a city or town, while a small triangle could signify a mountain peak. There's an exciting variety of symbols out there, each with its own story to tell. From highways to hiking trails, from cities to mountains, these symbols help us navigate and understand our world. It's like a treasure hunt, where each symbol is a clue leading you to a deeper understanding of the landscape. Remember, each symbol on a map carries a specific meaning. It's like learning a new language. So next time you look at a map, take a moment to appreciate the little symbols. They are the key to unlocking the world's geographical secrets. Scene script. Direction. It's not just about north, south, east, and west. Indeed, understanding direction on a map goes beyond simply knowing the 4 cardinal points. It's about being able to navigate the world around you accurately, and that's where the concept of a compass rose comes into play. Now, you may be wondering, what exactly is a compass rose? Well, it's a design on a map that displays the orientation of the cardinal directions. It's named after the compass point's resemblance to the petals of a rose. The compass rose can be simple, just indicating north, south, east, and west. Lines not only show the shape of the land, but also its height, slope, and other features. This makes perfect